How to fix try again later on Instagram. Are you getting the try again later error on Instagram? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you why this happens and how to fix it quickly so you can get back to using the Instagram. So let's get started. So let's get the information about why you are getting this error. The try again later error usually happens because you have been liking, commenting or following too fast. Instagram blocked an action temporarily due to spam detection. A bug or a network issue is stopping your request. If this sounds like your issue, now here is how to fix it. Stop using Instagram for a while. First, take a break from Instagram for a few hours. Then tap onto three lines. Tap onto the search bar and type log out. Then tap onto log out. And by simply log out from this ID of your Instagram and then restart your phone. To restart, keep on tapping on this home button just like this, and here you can find the restart option. Now simply tap on it and restart your phone. Then switch internet connections. Go to your Wi-Fi network and switch between your Wi-Fi and data, and also try to turn on the airplane mode. Keep it for 30 seconds and then turn it off. And the final step is to simply reinstall the Instagram. For that, remove the Instagram app just like this. Now tap on to remove app right here, then remove it and simply reinstall it. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the try again later error. If it worked, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.